Hello viewers, welcome to Lomzy Sews. Today's sewing tutorial, we are going to be showing you how to make this luxury mask that is very comfortable and breathable. And we are going to be making a mask pattern on how to do this. So we are going to be showing you that, and we'll also show you how to sew it. We will be working on a rectangle that is 6.5 inches by 7 inches. And to make the mask pattern out, we are going to come in on the edges, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So hang in and watch till the end. We're going to be using a rectangle, and here we have 7 inches by 6.5. So we're going to be coming in this way to get our pattern. So let me do that now. You will take in here 3.25 and you mark it there. 3.25. This way is 3.75. You come down here 3.75 inches. 3.75 inches. Also come down this way 3.75 inches. Here like so. And then you come in this way 1.25. And so you're going to be connecting all this. You're going to be connecting all this to give you your mask. So let me connect it with my curve. I am going to be connecting this here. So you just curve it in like so. Come in this way. And so this is your pattern. So you're going to be cutting this out. So this is your pattern for your mask. Mind you, the allowance, the sewing allowance is already included in this. We have 1/2 inch sewing allowance all the way around. So I'm going to be cutting this out from our luxury fabric. I'm going to be cutting 2 of this from our luxury fabric, and we're going to be cutting 2 of this again from our lining fabric. And I'm going to be doing that now. So I'm using this sequence fabric to do that. You're also going to be cutting out of your lining fabric. You can use the same material to cut it, or you can use a lining. I prefer to use a lining so that I get a soft feel inside. So I'm going to be cutting that out. So as you can see, I have 2 of this and 2 of the lining. So the next thing we are going to be doing is the elastic. The elastic, we are going to be attaching the elastic here. So we're going to be using 2 elastic, just like the same 3D mask that I made. We use 4.5 inches, and that's what we're going to be using here, 4.5 inches, and we're going to be attaching this that way, attaching this elastic here like so. So I will advise, if you're using elastic, don't use 1/2 inch elastic, because it will be too big for the ear and it will be pulling the ear. So it's better you use 1/4 inch for your elastic. That way it will not be stressing the ear. So we're going to be joining this way, right side facing together. We're going to be running a normal stitch here. The same thing with this one. We're going to be running. So I will do that now and show you. So I have gone ahead and joined it. So the next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be notching it on one side like so, and you go ahead and give it a good press. You make sure you iron it out. So the next thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to be attaching, we're going to be sewing it like so. Stop somewhere here, sew it like so, and we're going to be attaching the elastic. We're going to be attaching the elastic. Remember, our sewing allowance is 1/2 inch, so you start that way, go in 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. So I'm going to be attaching it like so. You can eyeball it to know where your 1/2 inch is. So you're going to be doing that on the left side, and you're going to be joining this together. So that way, so this way, so this way, so this way. When you come to here, you stop this way here, stop, so here, and stop here. So I will show you that. Again, you will sew that way, this way, this way, this way, stop here, come this way, stop here. So let me sew that now and show you. So I have joined it. As you can see, I stopped here. Make sure you backstitch. I join it all the way around and stop somewhere like so. Backstitch, I mean, some people in their machine is a reverse, so make sure you reverse to hold it in place very well. So the next thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be notching it so that it will be easy for us to turn it. And we're going to be notching all the way around, because this is a curve, so you need to notch it. You can as well go ahead and trim it off, but I'm going to be leaving it like that. So the next thing we're doing is that we're going to be turning this. I've also attached the elastic, so we're going to be turning it around like that. Remember to always iron your work. When you're working, you make sure you iron it out. I went ahead and ironed this out before I continued. So as you can see, our mask is already coming out nicely. So we have done this. So we are going to be running a top stitch that way. So let me go and do that now and show you. So I have sewn it, as you can see. I have sewn that way and that way. As you can see, my mask is already ready. You go ahead and give it a good press. The pointed side is the upper side and this is the lower side where you have the running stitches, where you have the stitches. So you go ahead and make sure you save life, be stylish while you're wearing your mask. Thank you.